Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special to talk about, the top 10 proven benefits of Moringa. Moringa is a plant that's been gaining a lot of attention for its incredible health benefits. In this video, we're going to explore the top 10 benefits in easy-to-understand English. So, let's get started. But before we jump into the benefits, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing health-related content. Alright, let's dive into the world of Moringa. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Benefit number 1, Moringa is a nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and proteins, making it a great addition to your diet for overall health. 2. Immune system support. Benefit number 2, Moringa supports your immune system. It's rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help your body fight off infections and stay healthy. 3. Natural energy boost. Benefit number 3, need an energy boost? Moringa can help with that. It's packed with nutrients and iron, reducing fatigue and giving you a natural energy lift. 4. Skin health. Benefit number 4, Moringa is fantastic for your skin. It's got vitamins E and A, which can give your skin a healthy glow and keep it looking its best. 5. Blood sugar control. Benefit number 5, Moringa may help control blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest it's useful for people dealing with diabetes by helping to regulate blood sugar. 6. Digestive health. Benefit number 6, Moringa is your digestive system's friend. It contains natural fiber that keeps your tummy happy and your digestion smooth. 7. Anti-inflammatory. Benefit number 7, Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties. These can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. 8. Weight management. Benefit number 8, trying to shed a few pounds? Moringa is low in calories but rich in nutrients, making it an excellent addition to your weight management plan. 9. Strong bones. Benefit number 9, Moringa is great for your bones. With vitamin K and calcium, it supports strong and healthy bones, keeping you active. 10. Heart health. Benefit number 10, Moringa promotes heart health. It might help lower bad cholesterol levels, which is crucial for keeping your heart in tip-top shape. Conclusion. So there you have it, the top 10 proven benefits of Moringa, explained in simple English. Including Moringa in your daily routine can be a wonderful way to enhance your health. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Outro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please, subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.